What's up guys, my name is Darren and welcome to our All Access vlog. Today we have a BMW Z4 which is brought in for a complete refresh under our Vehicle Reconditioning Program. Let's get into it. This E89 Z4 is the S-Drive 35i variant, which comes with a 3-liter N54 inline-6 twin-turbo engine that gives a stock output of 302 horses and 400 Nm of torque. It's been on the road for a few years, so it has damages typically associated with a car that's driven regularly. From stone chips, dented panels, abrasions and scrapes, we repaired and repainted it to accurately match the original black sapphire paintwork. We replaced the suspensions with Bilsteins for daily driving comfort and gave the car massive stopping power with upgraded Brembo 6-pot fronts with 355mm discs and 4-pot rears with 345mm discs. These brakes also fill up the wheels perfectly. The wheels had the usual curb rash and flat spots, so we've repaired and repainted it to a high gloss black finish. The badly worn headlamps were something we placed special attention on, and it was disassembled. Lenses were stored on the outside and on the inside, with the projector system completely replaced with the current lighting system that now outputs 3 times more intensity and at much longer distances for better visibility and safety. The side indicator accents came in a bright chrome finish, which we felt could be improved on with a more subtle touch, so we wrapped it in satin guard paint protection film. The interior upholstery of the car underwent top coat repairs, including reshaping the foam supports for the seats to achieve the original feel and comfort. The original iDrive head unit was upgraded to a larger screen and system that has more intuitive features. The performance upgrades and mechanical restorations done to the car are available to clients under our Vehicle Reconditioning Program. After all restorative work was completed for the interior and exterior of the car, we put the Z4 through our Elements detailing program to correct the existing paintwork with the freshly matched panels for a swirl-free, high-gloss finish. The car was further protected with our flagship paint protection film, ClearGuard Alpha. ClearGuard Alpha is the latest in paint protection systems produced by its proprietary makers from California, Prestige Film Technologies. It features a patent-pending plasma memory system that reacts with oxygen to heal instantly when lightly scratched. For additional comfort and protection against the sun, our client opted to fit the windows with Spectra PhotoSync IRD high-performance window tint. It has the highest total solar energy rejection or TSER ratings of any automotive window tint in the market and comes with a limited lifetime warranty against performance degradation. That's it for today. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this vlog, please give it a like and share your comments on the finished product. See you again. Goodbye.